Hello students, good morning. Hello everybody. This is Pradip sir with another session of class 10 mathematics. Students, previously we have learned about the chapter some applications of trigonometry, that is heights and distances. So here I am going to continue this topic, and as we have solved few problems in the previous session, today also I am going to solve some more standard sums of the topic. So let me start with a very simple question. The question says that two poles of equal heights are standing on the opposite side to each other on either side of a road which is 80 meter wide. From a point P between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the one pole is 60 degree, while the angle of elevation of the other pole is 30 degree. Find the height of each pole and the distance of the point from these poles. Okay, means there is a 80 meter wide road. On the at the end of the road there are two poles facing each other, and between these two poles on the road there is a point from where the angle of elevation of one of the pole is 60 degree and the other pole is 30 degree. So we have to find the height of the poles as well as the point of observation, that is the point P, from the first pole and the second pole. So both the poles are of equal height. So let me write down the question first. So students, here is the question. As you can see, two poles of equal height are standing opposite to each other on the road which is 80 meter wide. From a point P on the road between the two poles, the angle of elevation of the top of the one pole is 60 degree and the top of the other pole is 30 degree. Find the height of each pole and the distance of the point P from each pole. So this is a very simple type of question. As you can see in the question, there are two poles of equal height and they are standing opposite to each other on a road. So let me draw the diagram which will make it easier for you to understand. So here is the horizontal level. On the horizontal level, two poles are standing opposite to each other. Suppose this pole is AB and this pole is CD and their heights are equal, and BD is the road which is 80 meter wide. On BD there is a point P. From P the angle of elevation of A is 60 degree and angle of elevation of C is 30 degree. This is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. Now the width of the road is 80 meter. So let me take this distance. That is the distance of the point P from the first pole. Let me take it as x. Then distance of the point P from the second pole will be 80 minus x, as the total distance is 80 meter. Okay, so this distance I have taken x and the other is 80 minus x. Now let me take this pole, the height of both the poles, as h. Okay. So first of all, as you know, we have to give a short description of the diagram. So in your language just write down about the diagram. What is the diagram? So what is the diagram? AB and CD are two poles of equal height, and P is a point between B and D such that BD equals to 80 meter and BP equals to X and DP is equals to 80 minus X, and the angle of elevation, that is angle APB equals to 60 degree and angle CPD is equals to 30 degree. This much we have to write about the diagram. Okay, so do it in your own language. I am starting from the solution part. So as you can see that we have got two right triangles. In both the right triangles, the equal things are the poles. Poles are equal in height. So in triangle ABP is perpendicular upon base is tan theta. So perpendicular means the AB and base is BP. That is equals to tan 60 degree, and in triangle CDP, here also perpendicular upon base is tan theta. So perpendicular is CD, base is PD, and that is equals to tan 30 degree. Understood? Now AB is H, BP is X, and tan 60 is root over 3. So here value of H is root over 3x. CD is also H, PD is 80 minus X, and tan 30 means 1 upon root 3. Which implies, now see, we know the value of H, so we can substitute this value of H here in this equation. Okay, so H means root over 3x upon 80 minus x is equals to 1 upon root over 3. So by cross multiplication it will be 3x and this will be 80 minus x. X will come to the left hand side, so 3x and this minus x will become plus x, so 3x plus x is 4x equals to 80, or we can say x is equals to 20. So what is x? X is the distance of the point of observation P from the first pole. Okay, so therefore one of the answer we have got distance of P from first pole is 20 meter and second pole is 80 minus 20, that is 60 meter. So this is one of the answer. Now for the second answer, that is we have to find the height of the pole. So x is 20. In the first equation we have got h is equals to root 3x. That was the equation number 1. So let me put the value of x here. Root 3 means 1.732 multiplied with 20. So this is 34.64. So what is h? H is the height of each pole. Therefore height of each pole is 34.64 meter. So we have got two answers. We have got the height of each pole, that is 34.64 meter, and we have got the distance of the point P from each pole. So from the first pole, the distance of point P is 20 meter, and from second pole it is 60 meter. So hope you have understood. This sum was simple type sum. Let me give you one more bit standard. So here is the second question. From the top of a 7 meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 45 degree. Find the height of the tower. So there are two elevated objects. One is the 7 meter high building and other is the cable tower. Both are standing on the ground level. So here the horizontal level, suppose this is the cable tower and this is the 7 meter high building. So this is the point of observation from the top of the 7 meter high building. So angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree. And so here, as you can see, that at the point of observation, suppose AB is the building and CD is the tower. A is the point of observation, but we know that angle of elevation and depression are always drawn with respect to the horizontal line. So here at the point of observation, there is no horizontal line. That means we have to draw one line, horizontal line, which is parallel to the ground level. Okay, students, so the diagram is ready. Here AB is the building whose height is 7 meter given and CD is the tower. From A, the angle of elevation of C is 60 degree and from A, the angle of depression of D, that is the foot of the tower, is 45 degree. Now this is the line drawn parallel to the ground level, that is horizontal line, and since these two lines are parallel, so angle of depression 45 degree is also equal to this angle ADB, because they are alternate angles, and when lines are parallel, alternate angles are always equal. So we have got two right triangles here, ABD and CEA. So let me start with ABD. In right triangle ABD, AB upon BD, AB upon BD is equals to tan 45 degree. So AB is 7 meter, BD is not known, so keep it as BD. Unit I will put later on, and tan 45 is 1, so BD is equals to 7 and BD is 7 meter. Okay. Value of root 3 is 1.732 plus 1, so it is 7 multiplied with 2.732, that is 7 to the 14, 7 to the 21 plus 1 22, 7 7 to 49 plus 2 51, balance 5, 7 to the 14 plus 5 19. So this is the height of the tower, that is 19.124 meter. So students, just go through the whole thing. This is not so hard, little bit standard, but if you do it once, then you can do it again whenever the sum is given to you, or whenever this type of sum is given to you, you can easily do it. So let me conclude the class today. In the next session, I shall try to give some more standard sums on this topic, and I shall explain it also. Till then, you just go on for practicing these types of sum. Okay, so let me come back in the next session. Till then, goodbye and have a wonderful day.